Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about variables with the Terraform. One of the another topic which is when variables get prompted. I already created video on when variables with Terraform. So this video will be the basic one, and this video going to be the when prompting with variable, how you can handle this stuff. Before that, dear subscribers, I'm available on LinkedIn as well as TopMate. If you have any queries regarding your job transformation, or if you are planning to move some upgradation with your job, you can reach out to me on TopMate with any interview tips, resume preparations, one-on-one mentorship. If you want anything, you can book me on TopMate. I am happy to help with you. Let's move into today's topic. How to configure this one? You can configure as per your needs whenever you need some variables changes. So for that only it will be useful. How to do this? You should not define the default value with the variable block. That is the thing you are going to do here. Let's see the demo with this script. I have already a script with main and variable and provider.tf files. So this is going to be create two security group and one instance. So according to the variables, here I have total 4 variables. In this, out of 4, I did not mentioned with region value in this variable. Let's see how it will react with this one. When I give Terraform plan, you can see that it is prompting to enter the value of the region name, which is variable.aws region, which I need to enter. You can enter any region according to it going to work. Once you entered the value, it is going to create all resources in the region of AP-South-1. Again, now I am going to change the variable value, which is on default one I just removed here. Now I'm going to give Terraform plan. It will ask me to enter the values of region. First of all, I'm giving US West 2. Then I'm going to give 3 instances which I need. So it's going to create total 5 resources, 2 security group and 3 EC2 instances. Like that, when you not specified your variable default value, it will ask you for prompt. So like this you can use with your different methods. For example, if you are creating some CI/CD pipelines also, if you are using with this script, you can manually enter those values while the pipeline is executing. So this kind of variables will be in upcoming classes I'm going to make. I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video is helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. It will be encouraging me to make more videos on these topics. Thank you very much.